Every AI agent you build forgets everything when it restarts. The standard fix is a vector database, an embedding pipeline, a retrieval server, and an orchestration layer. That stack costs more to run than the model calling it. Memvid replaces all of it with a single file. It encodes your documents, embeddings, and search index into smart frames, inspired by video compression. On the LoCoMo long horizon benchmark, it scores 35% higher than the state of the art. Multi-hop reasoning jumps 76% above industry average. Temporal reasoning, 56. And it is 372 times faster than standard RAG retrieval. Median latency, 0.025 milliseconds. P99, 0.075. It works fully offline. No API keys, no cloud bills, no server to babysit. 16,000 developers have starred it. There are SDKs for Python, Rust, Node, and a CLI. If your agent needs persistent memory, this is the simplest path to giving it one.